this time of year is the most wonderful time of year. Clearly has not been to Spokane before. Now, I did manage to speak to a tree removal company, and for context, I'm here on the South Hill where they say this is a major area of concern that they're keeping an eye on, with a lot of people asking for consults of their neighborhoods, and we got some information about what people should do when it comes to preparing for these conditions. Forecasted high winds and rain are having Avista crews getting ready to repair any fallen trees and down power lines tonight and into tomorrow morning. Neighbors are looking at how sturdy their trees are and how close they are to their homes, and some are taking down their Christmas decorations like these inflatables. Avista says there's potential for thunderstorms and power outages as well. They advise if you come across a power line to always treat it as if it's energized and not go near it. They also say to rely on them as well as tree removal services in case trees come down from high winds, and keep a safe distance away from any damaged areas. Folks are being asked to prepare food, flashlights, and backup generators, and to bring animals indoors. Now, the city says that they're also monitoring these storms and conditions. They are advising anybody who sees any damages as a result on streets or in city parks to reach out to 311 to try to get that cleaned up. If it has to do with power lines, they advise people reach out to Avista. In Spokane tonight, Connor McAvoy, KREM 2 News.